Welcome to LiveProcess e-learning for Emergency Manager. In this video, we will discuss the automated contact self-maintenance setting and show you how to configure it for your organization. Automated contact self-maintenance, or ACSM, is a way of keeping contact profiles up to date in the system where the contact can maintain their own information and set notification preferences without requiring a login username or password. If ACSM is turned on, the application will automatically send emails to your contacts requesting an update to their profile. You determine the frequency at which these emails go out. ACSM has to be turned on at the facility level before it can be turned on for individual contacts. Only those with administrative privileges in LiveProcess can configure the ACSM settings for your organization. To access the ACSM policy for your facility, select the Plan tab at the top of your home screen. Then scroll down and select Automated Maintenance Settings. You'll first need to ensure your facility's policy is set to active. Once you do this, any contact set to be auto-maintained will receive an update request. Then you'll determine the frequency at which these requests go out. You can set the frequency to any number of days, months, or years. For example, this facility is set to send requests every 6 months. The next setting is how many reminder emails will go out to your contacts. They will receive the initial request, and if they do not update their profile, they will receive these reminder emails each week until they update or until the reminders run out. You can send up to 6 reminder emails. Finally, you can decide what happens if someone does not update their profile. You can set the policy to do nothing or to send an email to a specific address. Keep in mind that this will send an email for each contact who does not update. Once you have finished setting up your policy, click Save in the upper right-hand corner to activate ACSM. Next, you'll need to ensure your contacts are set up to be included in the ACSM policy. From the Plan tab, click on Browse Contacts. The column on the right shows each person's auto maintenance settings. By selecting Yes, you can see that this facility only has 3 people currently set up for the ACSM policy. To turn other contacts on, select No in the drop-down. Then, on the left-hand side of the screen, check the box for Select All. You will do this through the pages using the arrow buttons at the bottom of the screen. You can change the number of contacts per page in the bottom right of the screen using the Show drop-down. Once you select your contacts, select Toggle Auto Maintain. This will ask if I'm sure I want these 50 to be added to my ACSM policy. I'll select Yes, and then once I filter the ACSM setting by Yes, I see there are now 53 contacts included in my facility's ACSM policy. You also have the ability to prompt these ACSM requests to go out on demand. For example, if a contact wants to update their profile, or if you want a group of people to review their profiles before an event, you have the ability to push out that request. To send a request to one person, select Browse Contacts from your Plan tab, then search for that person's profile. Select their name to open their record. You'll notice this person has the Auto Maintain option selected, meaning they're signed up for our ACSM policy. If the contact does not, simply check this box and save their record to turn the feature on. To send out the request, just select the Request Update button at the top of their profile. When prompted on the screen, select Yes. Then you'll get a message that the request has been sent. To send a request out to more than one person at a time, go back to your Plan tab and select Manage Auto Maintained Contacts at the bottom of the screen. You can search for people by name and select the checkbox next to their name, or you can scroll down the list and check those you want to review their profiles. Once you have your list of contacts selected, hit the Request Update button at the top of the page. Again, when prompted, select Yes, and finally, you'll get the confirmation that the requests have been sent to those selected contacts. If you have any questions regarding the ACSM policy or how to set it up for your organization, feel free to email us at support@liveprocess.com or give our customer support a call at 888 400 2673.